Hi everyone, so this lesson we're looking at the Metallica classic Enter Sandman. So, really nice riff to play on the ukulele and a really nice one for getting used to transitioning between the A string and the E string. So if we start off on the E string, we have two open notes. And then we're going to go to the 7th fret of the A, and then 6th fret of the E, and 5th fret of the E. So we have this. Okay, so that's our main little pattern. So when we link it together, there is an extra E note, which you're going to hear in a second. So we have... Then we get to the ending part. So that's 3 on the E, open, 2nd, open, 2, 3, 2. So again, refer to the tab for that bit if you're not sure as well. So we have... There we go. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide, and you can find a link to this in the description below.